So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a graffiti font. I start by writing the name or the text that I want to write. Then I add I draw outline around of the text, and if I don't like anything I'll just erase it and try to do it again. And then I hide the background and increase the size, and I add the holes of text and make a new layer and color the background so I can see a new color on the text, and make sure it's another layer. And then after I take a eraser and erase all the stuff, and if I see any interactions, and then I add a highlight with a white, and I add some shadows with a darker color. Then I work on the background. So in this case I'm making a water theme, so I'm adding like waves in some sort, and then I highlight it slightly with this dark color, and then I didn't like it so I just drew around of it, and that's it. That's how you create graffiti text really easy. Thank you for watching.